Hello everyone, welcome to my Crochet channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a gorgeous pink skirt using crochet. It's a fun and rewarding project, perfect for beginners and experienced crocheters alike. Let's get started. Step number 1. First, gather your materials. You shall need pink yarn, crochet hooks, scissors, measuring tape, stitch markers. Step number 2. Measurements. Measure your waist and hips to determine the size of your skirt. Make sure to note these measurements down as we shall be referencing them throughout the project. Step number 3. Starting the waistband. To begin, create a slip knot and chain the number of stitches needed for your waist measurement. Join the chain to form a ring, being careful not to twist the chain. Step number 4. Crocheting, adding height to the skirt. Once the waistband is complete, begin working in your chosen stitch pattern to add height to the skirt. Popular stitches include to shape the skirt to your hips, shell stitch, or even a lacy pattern for a more airy feel. Step number 6. Shaping and increasing. Gradually increase the number of stitches in each round to shape the skirt to fit your hips. Use increases strategically to maintain a smooth and flattering shoulder. Step number 7. Working the skirt length. Continue crocheting in rounds until the skirt reaches your desired length. Remember to periodically try on the skirt to ensure it's the perfect fit for you. Step number 8. Finishing touches. Once the skirt reaches the desired length, finish off the last round neatly. Weave in any loose ends using a yarn needle to secure them. Step number 9. Final details. Add my final details such as a decorative border or embellishments like beads or buttons to personalize your skirt and make it truly unique. Closing scene, and there you have it, a beautiful pink crochet skirt. Happy crocheting. Thanks for watching.